Hello guys and welcome to the video. So for the first time this year I have a fitness challenge for you. This is a super quick, super easy one, so I want you to join along with me and see if you can beat my time. So I just saw this on a fellow YouTuber, TeamRichey, or TeamRichey, is a CrossFit vlogger. Absolutely awesome YouTube. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you check it out. And he just posted this fun push-up challenge, and I do love a challenge, as you may know, so I thought I'd give it a try. Basically the challenge is to do 20 unbroken push-ups, and then you do 19 unbroken push-ups, and then you do 18 unbroken push-ups, all the way down to 1 unbroken push-ups. If you fail to go unbroken, you then have to repeat the round, and you continue the rounds all the way through, so you've done 20 rounds, and by the time you have finished, you will have done a total of 210 push-ups. He did it in just under 10 minutes, but he is an absolute CrossFit athlete beast. So yeah, stop what you're doing right now. I want you to go into the comments and put a time down that you think I will complete it in. Oh, well, I've got a hat on, crazy. And guess what? Loretta made this out of a jumper. Anyway, I thought that was crazy. I didn't realize you could make such cool things out of articles of clothing, and it's definitely helping me with my lockdown hair. Anyway, I've talked enough, so I guess I'll see you doing the push-ups. Let's go. "20. The real question is, how long do you rest in between the rounds? Woo! 2. Oh, this is hard. Oh my god. Woo! 15, baby. I don't know if I'm doing a good time or not. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1. Yeah. Yes. Holy smokes, we did it. Just under 10 minutes. So stoked. It was like 9 minutes and 58 seconds. It's kind of tough I struggle to judge how fast to go, because obviously the reps become less. So at 10 reps left, you're well over halfway, but kind of hard to judge and to not fatigue yourself. Once you reach failure, it's pretty much game over in these kind of things. But yeah, I'm super happy with that. My chest feels ridiculously pumped. I don't even really train push-ups anymore, so I might even chuck this in a couple times a week just to get some real volume on my chest. Give this one a try. It's super fun. Takes you like 10 or so minutes to do. Yeah, tag me in it if you do it, and let me know your time. If you beat me, maybe I'll try and do it again. It's super fun. I really enjoyed it. Remember to keep strict form when you do these kind of things, because it's going to be a lot of stress on your shoulders and stuff. So if your form breaks down, you may cause yourself injury. So yeah, always try and do correct form, even if you are trying to go as fast as possible. It is much better to go a little bit slower than go too fast and injure yourself. Anyway, I hope you've liked this video. I will be doing more fitness videos in the future. This is the first of many. Drop it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. It really means a lot. Really helps me out. Doesn't cost you anything. So go on, just click on that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.